Okay, loves, if you are just like me and you are enjoying this look, I have something wonderful in store for you guys. So, if you are enjoying this look, definitely stick around and hold on tight, and I will show you exactly how I achieved this gorgeous sultry red look. Okay, so today we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this warm brown. And I'm just going to basically blend that all out over my lid. Just like that. Okay, so now that we put that warm brown on, all we're going to do now is basically I'm going to go in with a dark chocolate. Now I'm just going to basically brush this. So now we are going to go in with our darker color right here. And I know a lot of you are looking like, hold on. Now I'm just going to go in with my flat angle brush, and I'm going to use that with the same concealer that I used in the Pro Concealer Toffee. And now I'm just going to cut a crease. Straight like that. This is how you want to basically make your cut crease look exactly alike. So I'm just going to go in with the color that we did on the end, the real dark color, and I'm just going to basically lightly dab on that just to kind of fade it out and have it blend in. So now I'm just going to go in to my Maybelline FitMe powder, and I'm basically just going to lightly set the cut crease. I'm just loving this whole look, okay? It's coming all the way together. So now I'm just going to basically go in with a little bit of glitter. And what color do you think I should do? I just want to see what color. What color? Take this color right here. And basically y'all see the get into the that cut crease is bomb.com. Now all I'm gonna do is use my liquid liner. And if you're wondering, this is like beauty supply store eyeliner. I don't know exactly where I got it from or anything like that. I would be lying to y'all, okay? Now that we done with that part, all I'm gonna do now is go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do. So every girl really loves a little bit of shimmer. shimmer, 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 shimmer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this lovely little gem right here. I just love the color that it is. Basically, it's like a, I want to say like a rose gold champagne color. So I'm just basically going to use that right in my tear ducts, like right here in the ends. And I'm just going to basically put that on right there. So basically just like that. As you can see, it brought like a bit of a pop to our beautiful, gorgeous eyes. Okay, yes, because we getting this look all the way together, all the way together. So now, all I'm gonna do is use my Maybelline mascara. So now that we've done that, all we're gonna do is we're gonna put our lashes on. Okay, so the lashes that I'm gonna be using is from the Ardell collection. These are the Demi Whispies, and I love, 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 love these lashes. Okay, we're going to go in with our Super Stay. This is the 24-hour full coverage, well, it's up to 24-hour full coverage Maybelline foundation, and I got this in the color 355, which is coconut as well. Do is go in with my Airspun, and I like to use this as a setting powder for my foundation because I just like to set it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my Wet n Wild fan brush, not fan brush, but powder brush, and I'm just going to basically powder this all over my face. I know I'm not the only one who be feeling herself like halfway through or whatever. So now what we're going to do is we are going to contour. Yes, I said contour, and the things that I am going to be using is, again, I'm going to use my Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and it looks just like this. And then I'm also going to use my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and you can get, I got this at Ross, y'all, so yeah, you get this at, no, I didn't get this at Ross, I got this at Ulta. I got this at Ulta Beauty Supply. So what I am going to do is show you guys exactly how I apply it. So what I do is I normally just squeeze out, not too much, because I don't want too much on my face. So what I'll do is I'll definitely go like this to try and form a downward triangle. Kind of like that, because we definitely want to get up under our eye, our eye. So we don't want any bags to really show or anything like that. We trying to get rid of all our insecurities, okay? Do you feel me? So now that we did that, now I'm just going to basically go in with my my NYX. And now all I'm going to do basically is get my contour brush as soon as I can find it. I'm going to get my contour brush, and I'm going to use the darkest shade because, again, I am of dark color. So I like to use the darker shade, and I am just going to go right here, right along where I put my concealer. And you want to make sure that you concentrate, basically, because you want your nose to be as snatched as possible. And I'm talking about surgery snatched, okay? So just like that. And then, of course, right there on the cheek. Right there on the cheek. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my contour brush. Okay. Just like that. And yes. So now I am going to use a different, what is these called? Beauty blender. Oh Lord, I just blanked out for a second. So now I'm just going to use a different beauty blender, and I'm just going to go in and basically blend out all of this concealer and craziness. Now all I'm going to do is, well, now I'm going to set my face basically. And I'm going to do that with my beloved Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And yeah, I forgot exactly what it is. I'm going to use one of these little thingies or whatever to apply it for me, to help apply it. So the same places where I basically put all of that concealer, I'm just going to go right under, and I'm just going to lightly do it because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just doing this makeup look for you guys. So I'm just making sure that I build it right around my nose because I want that contour to set. I want it to look as snatched as possible because, yeah, like I said, I want it to look like a surgery nose, just like that, okay? And then, of course, just like that, the forehead too, we can't forget that. And then we're going to just trickle right on down the nose, just like that. And just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Ooh, look like that. I look like Simba. I look like Simba. I look like Simba. I look like Simba. Okay. So now we're just going to brush that down. And out of the way. And look how snatched that nose is. Okay. What? We did not do a good job or what? Like, look. I don't stop it. Stop it. Stop. You know how when people be really gassing your head up like, oh, girl, I know, thank you. Thank you. So I'm just going to do this lip liner, and you can get this from your local beauty supply store, and this is in chocolate. So with the lip liner, for me, what it does is it creates an illusion that I have plump lips when I really don't. So now we're just going to go in with our Nabi matte lip gloss. And I'm going to use this in the color pink red. The time for me to add my highlighter. So if you know me, I don't know, which one do you think I should use? Should I use the Master Chrome, which looks just like this, or should I use the Milani, which looks like this? Ooh, which one? Yes. So I think I'm going to use the Milani for a change. I'm fan brush. And I'm just going to fan it to my liking. That highlight is everything. That highlight is popping. Oh my God. What? Yo, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I just never did this look before, guys. It's like really popping. And I thought it was bomb.com. I really hope that you guys enjoyed my attempted look in this bold smoky eye with a touch of red, just juiciness, honey, with of course a wig at the end. I mean, duh. So definitely, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you really like this video, and if you want to see more of these gorgeous looks, definitely comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel who don't want to see more of my videos. Okay? Yeah, I'm talking to you. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell so that way you can be updated on when I upload my videos. And of course, hit your girl up on social media. I will leave my links. I will leave the links down below, and of course I will leave them right here on the screen so that way you guys can check that out yourself. So as always, it's always been a pleasure. I will see you in my next videos, loves.